How to size a pair of Air Force Ones. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today, we're going over the sizing guide for a pair of Air Force Ones. That's right, you guys have been absolutely killing on support with all these sizing guides, so I figure out why not continue with one of the most popular pairs of shoes still today. So without further ado, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the guide. Alrighty, so the Air Force Ones is still one of the most popular pairs of sneakers to date. And the sizing is weird. Why? Because you probably hear a lot of people say, well, it's true to size, or actually do a half size down. And then you might get them in hand and you might say, wow, this is actually a little bit bigger. So why is Air Force One super hard to size? Well, for starters, the toe box is quite large and wide and can be very, very roomy. It can definitely feel like there's too much extra space up front. Coupled with when you actually put on the shoe and break it in, it actually gets even more roomier. And then there's some people who like me who like a loose fit, but there's also people who like it very, very tight. So let me go ahead and put these Air Force Ones on my feet to show you guys what I'm talking about. Alrighty, slipping on the Air Force Ones. Here's what they look like on feet. Let's do one of the most cleanest pairs around. And this is what you're going to want to do if you want to grab a pair and you're not sure how to size it. Alright, for starters, my true to size is really about 8.5 or a 9. And I got a 9 in these, and I'm going to show you right now, my toe is about right there in the toe box. And there's still plenty of room left. Now, because I like a little bit more space in my Nike Air Force One, fix my sock because that's probably killing you guys, I just go with a normal true to size because I like my toes to have some room. Also, if you are known to have a little bit wider feet, I would also just go true to size for these sneakers. These are not as narrow as a pair of Jordans would be. So that means they will fit a lot better on your feet if you just go normal true to size. However, you're the type of person that doesn't like the relaxed feel in your sneakers and you want something a little bit more tighter and secure, I would actually recommend going a half size down. So if you want that toe box to feel like a normal Nike shoe would feel on a toe box, go a half size down. Also, if you know that your feet are a little bit on the narrow side and are pretty small, I would also recommend going a half size down. I'm going to put up a little sizing chart right here for you guys so you guys can see a little bit better details. Yeah, so for example, if you're normally like a Nike 9, I would start with an Air Force 8.5 and then see how these sneakers fit with your toes. And also remember, bear in mind, as you wear these sneakers, they will break in and they will get a little looser on you. So even though you got them a little bit on the tighter side, they will eventually give you some more space. I'll also put up a little conversion chart right here for you guys for men and women and UK and EU sizes, because I know a lot of people from around the world like to watch these videos. And if you're a little bit still unsure what size to get, I would play it on the safe side and actually just go a half size down. What I do not recommend is going a full size down because I never had luck with these or with anybody when they went a full size down. The toe box just got a little bit too cramped or the shoe itself became a little too narrow. Yeah, but I think that's all you're going to need to know to size yourself a pair of Air Force Ones. So the Air Force One sizing guide, what'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.